always someone that got some bullshit to say about what you're doing, about what you're doing. Not what they're doing. You're not even concerned about them. You're not tagging them, saying nothing about their name, but they see you doing something, especially a black man. They see you doing something, they got to say, they got to try to critique it. Oh, you need to do this. You should do this. Fuck you, man. I'm doing this, and I'm fucking winning. You hear me? I know how to be safe, bitch ass. I know how to get this bag, motherfucker. So get the fuck off my road, man. You see what I'm saying? You just don't like to see me doing this shit, do you? But I don't give a fuck. You see what I'm saying? Because really, you don't like me, I don't like you. So take your bitch ass somewhere. You ain't got to follow me. I'm not following you. I don't give a fuck about what you doing, how you doing it, how you living, none of that shit. I don't follow you. I don't give a fuck. You see what I'm saying? I'm working on myself, developing something I can help my people, and anyone who want to learn, I'm helping them too.